This is our agenda, introduction, and the primary goals of CMS, why we choose CMS, and we will talk about CMS implementation. So, CMS stands for Computerized Maintenance Management System. Okay, it's a tool for storing maintenance data in a central repository and helps to facilitate the process of maintenance operation. What does that meaning? That meaning is I managed my maintenance system in a digital way using computer, okay, using your PC or your software, okay, to manage your maintenance, okay, and keep your assets healthy and reliable and available all the time and know the history of your assets, okay. CMS helps us to plan, monitor, and measure and optimize our orders and also inventory and asset on digital platform. All of this on digital platform. Okay, so it will be easy to track this. Also, CMS helps to optimize utilization and availability of physical equipment. Okay, like vehicles, machinery, communications, plant infrastructure, and other assets. Everything related to assets. We will manage it and keep it using our CMS software. Okay, so CMS are found in manufacturing, oil, gas, power generation, construction, transportation, and other industries where physical infrastructure is so critical. Okay, in critical industry, you will see a CMS to manage these assets. So it has a data model that organizes information about the asset maintenance, organization, and charged with maintaining, as well as the equipment, materials, and other resources to do so. Okay, to manage all these resources from software. And the core of CMS is it's a database. We have central repository and we can get our data from it smoothly and easily. That is about introduction. So let's see what is the CMS goals. So primary goals of CMS is to manage all these modules together, from asset management to work order management to preventive maintenance plans and also stock management. We can audit and see our performance indicators, reports, KPIs, SLA, and so on. All these components we manage it from one system. That is the main purpose of CMS. All of this is to keep our asset healthy and available all the time and reduce downtime. Okay, that is the primary goals of the CMS. So why we need CMS? Why organizations need model like CMS? Why? First, reducing unplanned downtime. Keep the assets up, always up. Okay, and reduce a lot of problems that will happen to the asset through its life cycle, and also minimizing asset failures. Keep assets reliable all the time, and also maximizing use of resources, labor, spare parts, tools, and also service. Okay, to manage all of this, to plan all of this, to know what your resources do and which way you consume them, increasing asset reliability and availability. Okay, and also reducing inventory costs to make an efficient inventory, improving safety and risk management. Okay, through your work orders, you can manage your safety and know which plan need work permit need and to add your hazard, lockout, tag out, and so on. Okay, also extending the life of assets. Every time you make your preventive maintenance, you decrease your corrective maintenance, and of course emergency. So, and also providing one version of the truth. It's called reports. Generate reports from one place, okay, from one software. Shift from user dependent to system dependent. Keep all the history of your assets on the system. You can review them at any time. You can get them at any time. You know the history of the asset, every individual asset. And also you can maintain KPIs and performance indicator and keep an SLA and so on. And also keep your spare parts history. Know which asset needs spare parts, which asset consumes your spare parts. Okay, and know everything about your spare parts from vendors, cost were installed, foreign or local availability of spare parts on the system. Know everything about it. Okay, that's there's a lot of reasons about CMS and why we already need CMS. Okay, CMS implementation. Okay, when we need to create successful CMS implementation, we should go through all these steps one by one. Okay, first we form a core team from our company, from production team, maintenance team, safety, reliability, supply chain process. Why? We gather all of this team and prepare our plan. Okay, then we see our requirement analysis according to our project or our site and make a gap analysis and discuss all of these things related to the site and the project. Okay, and function definition for every single asset for the software that will be used in your project. And we create template data so the core team can work on this template to make it an input to our system. Now, and then we will dive into implementation project plan and create process of the plan. Okay, and then we end our project plan and go to user training and user manuals, prepare them carefully, and then we will go to live support. After go live, nothing will be editable. We all live. We all we manage all of these modules together. Okay, working on it. Nothing else. That is all about. This is a brief introduction about CMS and why we need CMS and the main component and the primary goals of CMS. Okay, and in this series we will use Maximo IPM Maximo software to see all of this, how this work together. Okay, it will be the main software. We will work on it in detail in this series. Okay, so this is my personal email. If you want anything, okay, feel free to contact me. Till next episode, thank you.